Hey YouTubers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Today we are talking about tamper resistant outlets. And the number one feature about these tamper resistant outlets is they improve child safety. Let's take a look. This is a Leviton brand. It is a Home Depot sold product, and as you can see, it is tamper resistant. And we've been doing a lot of painting around the house. We had cream color walls, which had cream color outlet receptacles to go with it. And we've changed the walls to gray, and we are going to change all outlet receptacles as well as light switches to white. So a couple things to point out prior to actually opening the box. It is a 15 amp to 125 volt, and that's important because when you go purchase new outlet receptacles, you want to make sure that you purchase the right amperage receptacles. Your house either has a 15 amp circuit or a 20 amp circuit. Down to the next positive feature, improves child safety, and that's important to us because kids crawling and walking around the house, so it is important that we make sure for safety purposes our outlet receptacles are tamper resistant, again, as you can see here. Turn the box on the back side, again, easy to install, replaces standard outlets. And what I want to do now is hop over to an actual outlet receptacle and take a look at it. And as I mentioned earlier, we do have gray walls. We added the white baseboard, and it's time for the cream colored outlets to go. However, as you can see, our old outlets are not the tamper resistant. They have these covers on them, which alleviate the possibility of an infant or child inserting their fingers inside these actual slots. Here's a quick view of the new outlet receptacle installed. These new tamper resistant outlets have the safety feature built into it. I don't know if you can see, but inside these actual slots are plastic tabs that do not allow little fingers to actually get inside these little slots. And it also makes it very difficult for infants or toddlers to take their toys and insert them into these actual slots, whether it's a squirt gun, trying to squirt water into the outlet, that's not cool. If it's Humpty Dumpty trying to climb the outlet or go inside the slot, that's also not cool. Or a Bigfoot, who knows, whatever it is. It decreases the chances of kids putting their toys inside those slots and getting hurt. Now, in the event that you purchase new tamper-resistant outlets, that doesn't mean you literally cannot put these caps back on. Some people do, some people don't. It's just personal preference. That's it. I hope the video helped. Hey, do us a huge favor. Below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notifications, because once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again.